Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're looking at a replacement power solution for some classic DJ gear. Specifically, this is an AC power cord designed to be compatible with the Stanton T.80 T.50 and T.50X professional DJ turntables. It's important to note right up front that this is a replacement cable, not the original one that came with the turntable. The manufacturer, Part C, states that this cable has been thoroughly tested to ensure it works correctly with the models listed in the title. They strongly advise checking that your turntable model matches the ones mentioned to avoid purchasing the wrong cable. This compatibility check is key. Looking at the technical details, this is a 2-slot cable specified as 18 AWG-X2C, rated for 250V and 10A. These specifications indicate it's built to handle the power requirements of these turntables reliably. The product description highlights its high power exchange efficiency, which is crucial for maintaining a stable working temperature during operation. This efficiency helps prevent overheating, contributing to the longevity of both the cable and potentially the connected equipment. Safety is a major focus here. The PCB and cover are manufactured using fireproofing materials, adding an extra layer of protection. Furthermore, the cable is CE, FCC, and RoHS certified, which are important indicators of compliance with various safety and environmental standards. It also incorporates built-in protection mechanisms against short circuits, overcurrent, and overvoltage. These features are designed to safeguard your valuable DJ equipment from potential electrical issues. The cable itself is constructed from a combination of plastic and metal, typical materials for a durable power cord. So, if you're in need of a replacement power cord for your Stanton T.80, T.50, or T.50X turntable, this Part C cable presents itself as a compatible and safety-conscious option, designed to provide reliable power to keep your deck spinning.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.